So time interval, that's you see these two clock. Okay, here who is sitting here? Yes, you feel you are sitting only. Okay, Satish is sitting here. So it is Satish started his tea at 5 and finished at 10 minutes. Okay, 1 to 5 to the 10. So how long did Satish take to have his tea? 10 minutes. For how long did he read? Started at 5:10 after tea and finished at 5:20. So for how long? 10 minutes. From here they have given the YOLO. So from here now you have to count from 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 10 minutes. Okay. So this one, for how long did Satish help his mother? This also you see from 20 to here 9. Sorry, 4 to 9. 4 means 20 actually, but 4 to 9 means counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. So 25. Okay, this one you do yourself. I will not tell. And this one also, what you are doing, like this only you have to fill. That how long do you take to get ready. This is your estimation. Estimation means you try to do yourself. Just try to write yourself, and after that actual means you have to note down the time. And that is called actual time taken, and this is estimation. So you go through that. How long do you take to get ready for your school or something? Guess how much time you take to do the following activities. How long do you stay in school? That one also from 7:30 to 2. So you count it. How long do you take to computer for homework? That one also. For how long do you play in the evening? For how many hours do you sleep at night? Okay. Now next is your topic is conversion of time. Okay. So conversion of time. Do you know, student? One day how many hours? One day 24 hours. And 1 hour how many minutes? 1 hour how many minutes means you have to count the from here, from 12 to how many digits are here? 12 digits are there. So 12 5s are 60. So 1 hour, if the big hand move one round completely, then it will to move one round completely, it takes 1 hour. Okay, so it means 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes. So children, now conversion of time. Just now I spoke, just now I was telling 1 day how many hours? You also write in your notebook. 1 day 24 hours. Okay, 1 hour 60 minutes. How it is 60 minutes are shown in the clock. Again you see this one clock. So from 12 you count it. How many digits are here? 12 digits are there. 12 numbers are there. So 12 into 5. Okay. So 12 5s are 60. So if it big hand, if take one round, then it is 60 minutes. Then it take that is it takes 1 hour. 1 hour means if the small hand at 1, then it will come to 2. If it is 2, then it will come to 3. Okay. So 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 week how many days? You know that 1 week is 7 days. Now page 149, exercise 10.2. Do like this. Section A, convert into hours. Convert into hours. Okay. But now 5 days, how many hours? Okay. So 5 days. So 5 days, how many hours? So 5 days. So multiply by 5. You have to convert into hours. So 5 into 5 days. 1 day 24 hours. Okay, convert into hours. So 5 days is 5 into 1 day is 24 hours. So 5 into 24. Okay, so multiply here. 24 5s are how much? 120 hours. Like this you do. 30 days. So 30 into 24. So students, I taught you already, if it is 30 then 24 into 3 you do. It will easy for you. Okay, 72 and 0. Now take the 0. 72 hours. Okay. 7 days. 7 days into hours. So 7 day is equal to 1 day is 24. Then 7 into 24. Okay, 1 day is 24 hours. So 7 days, 7 into 24. Multiply here 24, 7 7 4 28, 8, 2 in the mind. Now 7 to 14, 16. 168 hours. 168 hours. Now 1 year into, we have to convert into hours. 1 year, how many hours? 1 year, students. Okay, that's why I am telling this one. First you have to think that 1 year, how many days? Now this year is going to complete 2020, right? So 1 year, how many days? Do you know? Yes, 365. 365 days. Okay, so 365 days. So 365 into 24. You do the multiplication here and write 365 into 24. 5 4 ja 20, 0, 2 in the mind. 6 4 ja 24, 26, 6, 2 in the mind. 3 4 ja 12, 14, 0, 5 2 ja 10, 0, carrying 1. 6 2 ja 12, 13, carrying 1, 3 2 ja 6, 7. Now 0, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So how many hours? 8. 2020 will complete, then it will be 8,760 hours. This much. 1 year equal to this much hours. 8,760. You will keep remember, this is IQ and this is in any competition may ask. 1 year, how many hours? So year to days and days to hours. Here see 11th one is somewhat different. 2 days and 4 hours. So 2 days means 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Multiply it, 48 hours. 48 plus and 4 hours is there. So this hour will be added plus 4. So total is 52 hours. Okay, 2 days and 4 hours. Now this one is, see 13 one is 3 and half a day. 3 and half a day means 3 days. So 3 into 24 is equal to how many hours? 72. 72 hours and half a day. Half a day means 1 day, 24 hours. So half day is how many? Half of 24. Half of 24 is how much? Yes, half of 24 is 12. So add it 84 hours. Okay, so that is 3 and half a day. Like this, how many questions are there? There are 13 questions are there. So I have solved here somewhat, and you do all the sums and do the homework and send to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.